Hello, yeah, in this video, I'll just show you some really basic use of the RStudio. So once you open RStudio, look like this, and there's several areas. So first, there's the source pane. So for example, you want to open new file. There's a long list of things you can open, but what you can do is the R script, and then you got this source pane here. What you can do is you can uh, type your R syntax here. For example, let's do some very simple operations. We assign, say, 5 to B, 2 to A, and say 6 to B, and we want to calculate A plus B. So once you have this kind of syntax here, this area is the console where you can see the results of the R operations. And to run the R syntax, you come back to the source pane. A shortcut is you can do control and return. Then it will execute exactly that line of R codes. Again, you got B assigned 6, and then it moves to the next line of syntax. You want A plus B. It shows number 11 here. Okay. If you come here, look at the environment, a history, connections, and tutorials, you can see in the environment, it shows you the objects currently stored in the R session here, A and B. And similarly, if you go back to here, you use ls, it also shows you the objects in here. Okay. And this area, files, plots, packages, help viewer presentation. For example, you can actually generate plots, and it will show up here. For example, let's say generate a random sample for 100 from the standard normal distribution. And then we can plot a histogram. It shows up here, okay? And you can export this to save it as an image, or you can directly copy and paste into a Word document, okay? So this is the several areas of RStudio and how you can use each of these. And here are some other things I would usually do. So first, if you want to save the syntax, you can do Control S. It shows you, where it will go, the directory. So you can give a file name, say R codes, and then usually I will end up with an extension .r. Then it will recognize it as the R command file. Okay. And then when I log out, I usually clean up all the. So first I'll just close out this file. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to do device off. And this will close all the graphics windows. It doesn't matter how many you open. Using this device off command, it will close all of the graphic windows. And also I use, say, R remove list equal to ls parentheses. This command will remove all the objects in the current R session. So you can see in the environment here, A and B are gone. And if you use ls again, you don't find any object here. But then you got this all these kind of a R syntax you have run, you can use Control L to clean them all up. And again, you'll get you know, a very clean RStudio at the very like you had at the very beginning. So then it's ready for me to run the next analysis in RStudio. Okay. So I want to emphasize this is just what I do. They may not be the best way. You can customize whatever the ways you want to use RStudio. Thank you.